The verdict form reads as follows. In cause number 2023 CR 11452, it states, we, the jury, find the defendant Jesus Prado guilty of the offense of aggravated assault against a public servant as charged in the indictment, and cause number 2023 CR 11452, and as instructed in this charge and in accordance with his guilty plea. Would anyone wish to have the jury polled on that point? And cause number 2023 CR 11453, the verdict form reads as follows. We, the jury, find the defendant Jesus Prado guilty of the offense of aggravated assault against a public servant as charged in the indictment, and cause number 2023 CR 11453, and as instructed in this charge and in accordance with his guilty plea. Does anyone wish to have the jury polled on that point? With regards to punishment, the verdict and cause number 2023 CR 11452 reads as follows. We assess this punishment at confinement in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Criminal Justice for a term of 60 years and no fine. Does anyone wish to have the jury polled? And cause number 2023 CR 11453, the punishment verdict reads as follows. We assess this punishment at confinement in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Criminal Justice for a term of 60 years with no fine. Does anyone wish to have the jury polled? All right, ladies and gentlemen, the deputy is going to take you back to the jury room, and I'll come back and speak with you briefly. Everyone, please rise for the jurors. All right, everyone, please be seated. Defense, any objection to the court proceeding with sentencing? State, any objection to the court proceeding with sentencing? Then, Mr. Prado, the court is bound to follow the jury's verdict. And in cause number 2023 CR 11452, the jury having found you guilty, it will be noted that you've been found guilty. Punishment in that cause number is to be assessed at 60 years in the prison. There's to be $0 fine. The court will give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrently with 2023 CR 11453, and cause number 2023 CR 11453. The court will follow the jury's verdict, find you guilty, sentence you to 60 years in the prison. There's a $0 fine, give you credit for any time served. This will run concurrently with 2023 CR 11452. And in each cause, there's a affirmative finding of deadly weapon. Is there anything else with regards to sentencing from either side? All right, Mr. Prado, on each of the cause numbers, did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign both forms in each cause number? All right, because this is a trial on punishment to a jury, and even if it wasn't to a jury, if it were to the court, if there were motions that were filed, you would have a right to appeal. In this case, you have a right to appeal. All right, because these are felony convictions, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand? If you can make sure he has that. Is there any question or any thing else with regards to sentencing before the court closes the record?
No.
All right, Cindy, you can close the record. Is there any victim impact? All right. All right, with that being said, Mr. Prado, I know 60 years is a lot, but you still have your life. I always try to find something to say to people who are sentenced so that they can have some sort of hope. You're still alive, right?
Right.
And you can live and you can learn from this, and you'll still be able to see your family and have your family visit you. All right.